Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about online trading in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a fundamental step: how to deposit money on Trading 212. If you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Trading 212 is a user-friendly app that lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, and more, but first, you need to fund your account. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Make sure you have the Trading 212 app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. Once you're logged in with your username and password, head over to the main dashboard. It's super intuitive. Look for the wallet or account icon, usually at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Deposit or Add Funds. This will open up a menu where you can choose your preferred payment method. Options might include bank transfer, debit card, or even PayPal, depending on your region. Pro tip: if you're in the EU, bank transfers are often the fastest and fee-free way to go. Now, select your method and enter the amount you want to deposit. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Trading platforms are secure, but it's always good to be cautious. You'll need to provide details like your card number or bank account info. After that, confirm the transaction. Trading 212 uses advanced security, so you might get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once the deposit is processed, which could take a few minutes to a couple of days depending on the method, your funds will show up in your account balance. And just like that, you're ready to start trading. Remember, always keep an eye on any fees associated with deposits, and if you run into any issues, check the help section or contact support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. See you in the next video.